Good early afternoon. Um, so my good friend, best friend, Andrew, uh, left for Poland officially, and one of his parting gifts for me was his Blackstone. And so you are going to watch me assemble said Blackstone to get it working. This is gonna be pretty easy, I hope. But yeah, it is used since it was his. But yeah, he decided to give it to me since he won't be using it. So I don't know. I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna, I don't know, attempt to build it, put it together, make sure it works. Let's go. There we go. Man, I'm so not smart. All right, we're gonna set that there. Rip. All right. Oh, just a grease. La di da di da. Can you tell I worked out today? Do I look big and strong? I got called an idiot today. Still not sure how to take it. I mean, I'm not hurt by it. Guy didn't even know me. I'm just confused why I got called an idiot. Mm-hmm. I have zero idea why that was such a challenge. Like, it's not even, it just wouldn't line up. Cool.